Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk you about nodes in cryptocurrency. A node is a computer that connects the cryptocurrency network. The node supports the cryptocurrency network through either relaying transactions, validation, or hosting a copy of blockchain. In terms of relaying transaction, each network computer node has a copy of blockchain of the cryptocurrency it supports when transaction is made. The node creating transaction broadcasts details of transaction using encryption to other nodes throughout the node network so that the transaction and every other transaction is known. Node owners are either volunteers, these hosted by organization or body responsible for developing the cryptocurrency blockchain network technology, or those who are interested to host a node to receive reward from hosting and node network. Time stamping. Cryptocurrencies use various time stamping schemes to prove the validity of transaction added to blockchain. Ledger without the need for trusted third party. The first time stamping scheme invented was a proof of work. Proof of work is a form of cryptographic proof in which one party proves to the other that certain amount of specific computational effort has been expended. Verifiers can subsequently confirm this expenditure with minimal effort on their part. The concept was invented by Money. The most widely used proof of work scheme are based on SHA-256 and Script. In cryptography, Script is a password-based key derivation function created by Colin Percival in March 2009, originally from the Tarsnap online backup service. The algorithm was specifically designed to make it costly to perform large-scale custom hardware attacks by requiring large amount of memory. Some other hashing algorithms that are used for proof of working include CryptoNote. CryptoNote is an application layer protocol designed for use with cryptocurrencies that aims to solve specific problems identified in Bitcoin, namely traceability of transactions, the proof of work function, irregular emissions. Blake is a cryptographic hash function based on Daniel J. Bernstein's Chacha stream cipher, but a permuted copy of input block XORed with round contents is added before each Chacha round. Like SHA-2, there are two variants differing in word size. Chacha operates on a 4x4 array. SHA-3 is the latest member of secure hash algorithm family of standards released by NIST on August 5, 2015. Although the part of the same series of standards, SHA-3 is internally different from the MD5-like structure or SHA-1 or SHA-2 and X11. Dash is an open source cryptocurrency. It is an altcoin that forked from Bitcoin protocol. It is also decentralized autonomous organization run by a subset of its users, which are called master nodes. Another method is called proof of stake. Proof of stake protocols are the class of work by selecting validators in proportion to their quantity of holding in associated cryptocurrency. This is done to avoid the computational cost of proof of work schemes. The first functioning. Proof of stake is a method of securing a cryptocurrency network and achieving distributed consensus through requesting user to show ownership of certain amount of currency. It is different from proof of work systems that run difficult hashing algorithms to validate electronic transactions. This scheme is largely dependent on the coin, and there are currently no standard form of some cryptocurrency use combined proof of work or proof of stake.